We all know that artificial intelligence has the power to transform our lives, from self-driving cars to personal assistants to smart cities. But is deep learning the only way to achieve an AI system? Deep learning has many limitations, and to overcome these, iOmniscient has developed a new technology called the intuitive AI approach. Let's first understand deep learning. Deep learning is a technique for extracting patterns from very large quantities of data. A system is presented with many labeled images of an object or training data to develop a model. It can then be presented with an unlabeled image, and at least in theory it should correctly identify that object. Deep learning is a form of machine learning. Deep learning works well for categorizing objects for which we have large quantities of data. If one wishes to identify just one particular type of safety vest, it will require the labeling of large quantity of safety vest pictures for training purpose. Then the system can start recognizing this safety vest. In view of the large amounts of data necessary, this labeling and training process can take a long time. However, same training process will need to be repeated if you want to recognize different type of safety vest. Because of the amount of computing necessary, it can also require expensive GPUs. Deep learning has many limitations. In real life, datasets may not be available for training a system. Even if the data is available, labeling is a labor-intensive task and can be expensive. And the training process is computer-intensive, requiring expensive GPUs. To address these issues, iOmniscient has developed an alternative new AI technique called intuitive AI. This technology better emulates sophisticated human thinking to address real-life complexity. To the extent that a new model is required, an intuitive AI system can be trained using our quick training engine, which usually requires 10 and at most 30 datasets, eliminating the need for labor-intensive deep learning. This approach is particularly useful in situations where limited data is available and where time is of the essence. In real life, there are many examples where there is no data available for training a system using deep learning. Predictive maintenance is one situation where there is insufficient data available for new equipment to know when and how it might fail. Many human behaviors fall into this category. If one wishes to understand whether a rod is attached, safety gear is in place, or if there is a double wrap and 333, there are just not enough examples of these events available for training the system. This is where intuitive AI really comes to the fore. With intuitive AI systems, flexible and efficient solutions can be found for complex problems. With over 300 intuitive AI-powered ready-to-use applications, iOmniscient can combine these in multiple ways to solve even more problems. iOmniscient stands ready to design a solution tailored to your needs without the need for labor-intensive training and without expensive GPUs. With iOmniscient, the possibilities are endless.